Have you noticed that home decor trends are shifting lately? It's not just in your mind, there's definitely some major changes happening. Before we jump in, let me introduce myself real quick. I'm Allisa, I'm a home stylist and special education teacher who focuses on creating functional, calm spaces. I've been at this for over 7 years, mostly on my website, allisajacobs.com, but I really started noticing the effects of design on our sense of well-being while in the classroom. And I'm bringing those two worlds together here to make decorating easy and accessible for more people. Now, I should start off by saying I'm not a fan of trends in general. In fact, I'm more of a do what you like, but maybe just stick to the classic guidelines kind of gal. Although I have been known to fall down a few trendy paths or two, like teal in the 2010s. That was unfortunate. But when we understand trends, they can actually set us free a little bit. And with these design shifts that I'm seeing, I think a lot of people will feel like they can embrace their homes as they are, or maybe with minimal changes. One major design trend that's changing is the shift back to natural wood. We see this in kitchen and bathroom cabinets. For a while, no oak cabinet was safe. Everything in sight was getting refaced, repainted, and replaced. In my last home, I changed out the dark, mystery 70s wood cabinets, which were pretty damaged and dingy, I'll say. I refaced them and painted them black for an organic modern vibe. That kitchen makeover turned out pretty well. I'll link to that one because it was a good looking kitchen. So there is a time and place to paint. And for years, many of us painted our kitchen cabinets white as kind of the default kitchen cabinet color, which is still classic and lovely, but we are seeing a renewed love for natural wood. And that makes me happy. So that means that if you're in a home with wood cabinets, like I am, you can update your kitchen in other ways and let go of the pressure of needing to change them completely. A couple of options to update wood cabinets, existing wood cabinets, include sanding them down and using a more natural or clear finish. I'm going to try that this summer and I'll keep you posted. You could also keep the wood base and simply change out the door faces to a more modern, maybe Scandinavian design. Or do little things like swap out the hinges and knobs. I've done that on a million cabinets and it always makes a big difference. Then, if you really still want to paint something, you could paint just the kitchen island, if you have one. This is also something we're seeing a lot more of, with the cabinets and the island being two different colors. Overall, we're just seeing a shift back to wood cabinets, and I think that's a good thing. Another design trend that we're seeing change a little bit is a shift from the all white of the last decade, where it seemed like everything was getting painted white. Not just the kitchen cabinets, but doors, window trim, floorboards, stair banisters, everything in sight was getting painted white. And in many ways, that's classic and lovely. So if you got that and you like it, that's great, embrace it. But I think it's also helpful to recognize that we are seeing a shift towards natural wood trim and other options. For example, I just replaced my windows because I had to, but I decided to go with a more natural wood trim instead of the standard white. On the bolder side of things, there's color drenching, where the walls and the trim and even the doors are all the same color, maybe something like a muted dirt green. The point is that classic white is not the default setting. Everything doesn't have to be painted white. And it is lovely if that's what you have, but it's not the only way to go. Another home decor trend where we're seeing a shift is in the paint color world. There's definitely movement towards warmer, earthier shades. This is probably the pendulum swinging away, like gray LVP flooring and cool gray paint colors on the wall. Personally, I'm a fan of balanced undertones and stick to neutrals with a touch of warmth. You can see my separate paint videos for that. But in general, there is a shift back to warmer beiges and tans. Now, I will say, if you're my age, you might have had your fill of Builder Gray tan in the early 2000s and probably not ready to see that come back. So you could still achieve this by going with neutrals that have maybe just like a touch of warmth, or even swapping out those cool light bulbs with a warmer light bulb. That will give you a softer glow. And personally, I prefer those no matter what the heck is trending. You probably hear me talk about that on every video. Cool light bulbs need to just see themselves out as far as I'm concerned. But in general, I think you'll see a lot more warmer paint colors. There you have it, 3 home design shifts that we're seeing across the board. I'd love to hear what you think. Do these change how you feel about your home? Does it release some of the pressure to maybe change everything? I'm curious to hear what you think. I know personally I'm really excited to see that wood cabinets are coming back. If you're looking for more decor ideas, I do have some free design resources I'll link below. Plus, I offer one-on-one video calls where we can chat about your space directly. It's a casual and friendly way to get helpful advice for your space. Click the link and read more about the details. And if you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe to help me grow this little channel and keep these videos coming. Thanks for watching.